Let's cook curry katsu or katsudon with curry sauce. Here are our ingredients: pork loin, salt, black pepper, all-purpose flour, egg, oil, breadcrumbs, and canola oil. Please subscribe to our channel. Keep watching! First, pound the meat. Season with salt and pepper. Add 1 teaspoon oil in 2 large eggs and whisk to avoid the meat and breading to detach while frying. Dredge in flour, dip in egg, and dredge in breadcrumbs. Heat oil in 180 degrees centigrade or medium heat. Fry the katsudon for 1 minute on each side. Set aside and let sit for 4 minutes. Heat oil again in 180 degrees centigrade or medium heat. Deep fry the katsudon for 1 minute on each side. Drain oil and let sit vertically. Cut into 3. Now let's cook the curry sauce. Here are ingredients: potatoes, carrot, white onion, garlic, and curry mix. Dissolve the curry mix in 1 cup water. Saute the onion and garlic. Add potatoes and carrot. Fry them slightly. Add curry slurry and water for desired taste. Simmer for 15 minutes. And now here is our Japanese katsudon with curry sauce or curry katsu. Enjoy! Please subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.